Veronica, and this video will demonstrate how to install your Britax car seat adapters onto your Qool stroller. The adapters are a set and they look just like this. What you're going to do is face each one. You'll notice the car seat brand is etched into the adapter. You want that facing outside. So you'll click the adapter, you'll just click it right into the seat bracket that way, and you'll do the same thing on the other side, and you'll hear a click on each side. Now you're going to take your car seat and you'll notice there's these built-in brackets to the car seat already. So the Qool is just accommodating what the Britax design is already like. And they click in super smoothly. You can test it by pulling on the car seat, just tugging on it a little bit, and you know that it's clicked in correctly. Now, to remove the car seat, you're going to do it just like you remove it from your car base. And what you do is just lift on the tab behind the car seat, and it comes right out. To remove the adapters from the frame, let's say you're ready to now install the front seat, you're going to just push in on these side levers and the adapter just comes right out. And that's it.